Hi everybody, it's Wanda. I haven't done very many of these, so this is like all new territory for me. So I have cerulean blue with a little white added to it. I have Caribbean apple barrel and purple iris apple barrel. These are thin. I mixed my own parchment because my other parchment I think I took upstairs, the rest of that tube, so I mixed some of my own. I think I did that I did this a while ago, and I think I did that by adding some raw sienna to some white and leaving it very light. Apparently I planned on using it because when I got to looking I had some. So I'm going to try this again. I still have my navy blue that I made using phthalo blue with a little black in it and then just a little bit of the parchment. But I'm going to do more puddles, I think, and hope that they stretch good. Let me see if that's thin enough. Well, let's knock everything over. Okay, so ooh, I hope I don't run out of paint. This paint. Okay, I think I'm gonna start stretching. I got paint running off the end of the table, canvas over there. all of it to shift over that way and do some more down in there. Okay, well, that's still not what I was going for, of course. But I'm thinking about uploading this to Spoonflower and having some fabric made out of it. So seeing how it will match up on the pattern and or not is going to be an issue, I think. But it was just a thought that I had. Well, there's parts of it I like, there's parts of it I don't. I'll put a little in that middle right there. Can play some more. I kind of like that better. I like that. Maybe I should have put less purple. Got too much purple in this one. I do like this part. So maybe I'll do one next time with only two or three colors. Not so many colors. I'm gonna tilt that off that corner a little bit. So, well, there's still a place that looks funky on that corner. So there we go. Hopefully I got it covered. Made a cool design. No, it's not rolling off, so I'm gonna have to leave it alone. I don't want to funk it up. Ooh, I had cells show up. Crap. I don't really want cells in this. So I'm going to leave it alone. It's kind of spacey looking. I don't know. Has its good points, I think. So tell me what you think. I'll take the camera down and give you a close-up. Okay, so this is how it looks. You can tell there's some blending in here where the colors are kind of muted more, blended down more. But all in all, I really like that bottom right corner. Wish I had done more of that. Less purple. Wish I had put less purple. So, that's how it looks. Very graphic looking. I just think too much purple. So tell me what you all think. Let me know. I'll post a picture at the end of it dry. Thanks for watching.